Galaxies. They fill our cosmos with wonder, serving as constant reminders that there's more out there in the universe than just ourselves. Whether there's intelligent life amongst them remains yet to be seen, but with how big some of them are, astronomers are just dying to find out. And on this episode of Pocket Astronomy Facts in our Cosmic Top 5 series, we're taking a look at the 5 largest galaxies ever discovered in the known universe. Our Milky Way galaxy is pretty big in its own right, but these galaxies make ours look like a golf ball next to a football stadium in comparison. Here are the top 5 largest galaxies, starting with the smallest of the bunch. First, we'll have to outline the size of our own Milky Way galaxy, as we'll use that for scale and comparison. Our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 to 120,000 light-years across. This is our cosmic home, and it's unlikely that we'll ever be able to leave it any time in the near future. It's simply much too big. We could spend the next 1,000 years traveling in a rocket ship at full throttle, and still wouldn't even come close to leaving the Milky Way. But now that we know what we're working with, let's take a trip out to the 5th largest galaxy, and this one's a beautiful spiral galaxy just like ours. Number 5, UGC 2885, or more commonly known as the Rubens Galaxy. This spiral galaxy sits about 232 million light-years away from us and is about 830,000 light-years across. That's at least 7 times larger than our Milky Way. This galaxy was named after the beloved astronomer Vera Rubin, who pioneered the work on galaxy rotations. Her contributions to the field of study provided compelling evidence for existence of dark matter. So yeah, we think she's earned a galaxy named after her. Wouldn't you agree? This giant is one of the largest known spiral galaxies and secures its spot as the 5th largest galaxy ever discovered. Number 4, Galaxy A2261bg. This galaxy is about 3 billion light-years away from us and is about 1 million light-years across. Sheesh. At the heart of most galaxies, there lies a supermassive black hole. After all, if planets orbit stars, then it stands to reason that stars have to orbit something too, right? And in most cases, that's exactly what astronomers find: a supermassive black hole at the center of many galaxies. However, this galactic giant seems to be a different case. When astronomers went looking for the black hole at the center, it turned up missing. The galaxy's bright core has an oddly large empty region where the black hole should be. Some astronomers think the black hole was literally kicked out after a galactic merging with another galaxy, recoiling from gravitational wave effects amongst the chaos. It's hard to say for sure, but nonetheless, this galaxy is simply huge and easily secures its spot as one of the largest galaxies we've seen thus far. Number 3, the galaxy Hercules A. This behemoth is about 2 billion light-years from Earth and is about 1.5 million light-years across. Think about that for a moment. If you were to shine a flashlight on one end of the galaxy, it would take the light from that flashlight 1.5 million years to reach the other side. Yeah, this is a ginormous galaxy, and it's about 15 times larger than our own Milky Way. Unlike the previous galaxy, this one's supermassive black hole is right where it should be, sitting right in the center. However, the black hole is shooting jets of energy outward into space. Jets that are so powerful they produce what are known as radiolobes that are hundreds of thousands of light-years long. Each one of them is filled with plasma hotter than our own sun's surface, and they are so bright that if human beings could actually see radio waves, Hercules A would utterly dominate our night sky. Number 2, IC1101. For astute watchers at home, many would recognize this from their textbooks as the biggest galaxy ever. And for a time that was true, this was the undisputed king of all galaxies. We can certainly see why. This monstrously large giant sits about 1.0404 billion light-years away from us and is a staggering 6 million light-years across.